So here's the first barn, and you can see some people's names up there. I think that's you know, for saddles. So it looks like there's a place for saddles up there. You can see it's pretty windy today. Like crazy windy. It's a windstorm of some kind, I guess, except that it's been like this for like the past 3 days. And it's been going on so long, I was just like, well, I want to go up there. I'm just going to go up there tomorrow. So here I am today in a full-on windstorm. Not sure if this is one of the original houses. I know there's a main house right over there we're gonna go to next, so yeah, not sure. So it doesn't look like anything is actually open. You can just come up here and kind of peek through the windows, I guess. Yeah, I don't think it's open. So it's actually kind of a warm day. It's just over 70, so at least it's not really, really cold and windy. The rock formations on all the little mountains and hills are so gorgeous. Wow, this is just an absolutely beautiful place. Looks like there might be some kind of a swimming pool here. I say a swimming pool and not like a water reservoir because it has a shallow end here and a deep end. So yeah, you wouldn't put a shallow end in a water reservoir. So I think the original Homestead is up here a little ways. So this whole trail is pretty short, so at least according to the map back there. Wow. Pretty amazing. So you can see that addition in the back there was a bathroom. And at some point they added electricity. So, but yeah, these trees here were cut down in like 1880 to build this. Wow. 142 years old. Oh wow, the drive up this canyon is just absolutely gorgeous. My gosh, these rocks on all sides. Just amazing. So this is the Echo Canyon Trail, and I'm hoping once I get along the trail a little bit and down into the canyon, I won't be in the direct wind anymore. Gosh, it's beautiful up here though. It's so amazing. Wow. I just came around the corner and there is this awesome balancing rock. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, this is not really a pleasant wind, but look at these rocks. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. So there are a few little respites from the wind when you come around an outcropping, or just little breaks for 2 seconds. Oh wow. Wow, these rocks though. Look at this. So this is the Wonderland of Rocks, and it truly is. Oh my gosh. Just everywhere you look, 360 degrees. Wow. There are just these incredible gusts of wind that keep blowing through here. It's got to be like 30 miles per hour or more. I literally have to hold my camera with two hands. And there are these massive, I mean just humongous boulders jammed up in between other boulders right over my head here. Oh, jeez. I know, I'm talking about. Jeez. It's about to blow me off the rocks. So I better climb out of here. Jeez. I'm just holding up against this rock, but yeah, I should climb out of here before I get knocked out of here. All right. Wow, what does that rock look like to you? That is a cool one right there. You might be wondering how this place came to be as it is. And about 25 or 30 million years ago, there was a massive volcanic eruption and lava flow. And then millions of years after it had cooled and hardened, it got pushed up by tectonics and began cracking. And as it got pushed up and cracked, well, erosion took over. And so what you see here today is largely because of erosion. And it's just magical. It is definitely magical here. One thing that's kind of nice is when the weather's a little foul, there's no one else on the trail. Just how I like it. Well, I think I'm gonna head back. This wind is a little too much, but I think you get why they call this the Wonderland of Rocks now. Wow, this is just so cool. So off in the distance there is Cochise Mountain, or is it Geronimo Mountain? I don't remember who that peak is named after. It could be Cochise. But both Cochise and Geronimo were Chiricahua Apache, which, you know, lived here for thousands of years before European settlers came along. So, yeah, I think that's Cochise Mountain. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'll have to look it up. Whew, finally out of the wind. Gotta have some life water here. The old death water was on sale, but that didn't sound very appealing to me, so I went with the life water. So I'm the only car in the parking lot here, and the parking lot is up kind of on a little peak thing, and the wind gusts are just blowing my little car all around. Wow, okay. Well, I gotta get back down the mountain. I'm camped at Christopher's, so yeah, let's get on back home.